My experience with the Lang family is probably the most powerful experience I have had in my professional career.
It was a school night. I was with my older brother. We were both kind of up late studying, and he was like, oh, Mom hasn't gotten back yet. Normally she should be back by this time. And so we called my dad. He was like, yeah, your mom got hit by a car. Took her to Sunrise, and that's where they pronounced her dead.
Becky's mother was killed while jaywalking across the street here in Las Vegas. And other attorneys wouldn't take the case. They felt that because she had been jaywalking, there was no claim and there would be no recovery.
Went around to a bunch of different law firms and nobody would take it. They were just saying, no, this is not a winnable case at all, until Leonard Stone said he could take it, that they could actually see something coming through here.
We were able to establish that taxi driver should have seen Becky's mother and should have stopped.
He saw something that other people didn't, and I think it's his knowledge of the law that helped him ultimately win our case.
Insurance companies, businesses, they don't want to write you a check. Someone has to make them do that, and that's why we're here.